What I'm trying to do today is sand it down, the engine bay, and get it ready for the bundle. And probably the next week that I have 3 days off, I'm probably gonna spend that time working on this car. You know, for Christmas, I'm gonna tell my wife that I'm gonna have 3 days off, because if I tell her that, she's gonna be like, we gotta do this, we gotta do that, and you already know I wanna finish that thing. But first of all, I gotta clean all this mess, and also I gotta cover this up because I don't wanna fill it up with dust. That's my body's car, and a bunch of stuff in here. Right there, there is a car part right there, 300 CX, same year, same model, twin turbo, old car part. We get this car for 700 bucks. Well, actually my buddy does, because he's a good on deal. I don't know how he do, but he always get a, I guess, good deal for somebody, but not for the seller. And right there, that one right there, it came to my hands basically free. And right here we have the white one, 300 CX white. If you haven't seen the video, I have the video how we pulled this engine out. But the only problem is it was speak, or how you say, it was Spanish talk. And this is the engine of this. This is the engine of this car. And back there is the new engine. He's over, he's hiding. My buddy, he's remodeling his house, so that's why he's got all this mess right here. I gotta do some space back there so I can work on the 300. And this is his 180. He's got this car here, sitting in here, because he's got a small damage. Oh, not a damage. He's got a small hit right here on the door, and he don't like to drive it like that. Look at that, right hand drive. Damn, really good. Some Nismo wheels. Woohoo, baby! It's a really nice car. I like that. And here it is. This is the boy. Today I'm probably just gonna sand it down, all the engine bay, and that's it. Because like I say, I only have a few hours of daylight, and I gotta go back to my house. I only have a few hours, you know. When the wife is you already know, when the wife is the boss. Alright guys, like I say, thank you for stopping by my channel, and hopefully you guys subscribe, and let's get to it. Before I start working on this boy right here, I gotta cover this up. I gotta put a car cover, so that way it's not gonna get dusty, and my body's not gonna get mad at me. All right, here we got the bundle, we got the sandpaper, we got the old spray gun kit, and we got the hoses for the air compressor. We got that little thingy right there. I don't know how that called. I don't know what is the name of it. I don't know. More sandpaper, 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 spatula, the bundle, and spray gun. This spray gun cost me around almost 100 bucks for two of them. I got it from Home Depot. This bundle kit, body repair kit, something like that. It says bundle, body filler. I got this one for 20 and something, 24 or $22 I think, on all rallies. But I think you can find it for 15 bucks on Home Depot. I saw it at Home Depot and I was regretted when I saw it. But basically that's what we're gonna need for to do the engine bay shape. And I don't brought the air compressor with me, but I will get it later on. It's a small one. we don't need the big one at this moment. But right there, for all that, I probably spend about $200. Except for this. I already had this before. I use it for work. But for all that, it's almost at $200. Alright, let's get started. I already got my body's car covered. And now we can start working on the other thing right there. Alright, I got this bottle ready for bundle, and I'm gonna start doing it and see how it's gonna come out. Hopefully I'm gonna do it right, and then after this, if this thing comes out good, I'm gonna start doing the rest of the car. But I don't think it's gonna be today, it will be another day. It's gotta be another day. I just want to try it and see how this thing is gonna look. I'm gonna leave those little holes right there from factory because it kind of give it a look to the front end of the car. I think that's what I did not close it. I really like how they look, and I'm gonna give it a try and see what happened. Okay, this is what this shit looks like. I saw some video and they say don't use too much for this shit. You just gotta be a little bit. And remember one thing, this thing dries out very quickly. It gets dry very quickly, so don't do too much. Just do a little bit, and then you do more later on. This is the first time that I'm gonna do this. I've never done it before, but hopefully I will do it right. If there is somebody watching this video and they know and then you know how to do it, you can leave it a comment below and help me out with some tips. That would be nice. I guess we start right here. Alright, I already put some of that stuff on it. I don't know if that's correct or not. I don't know if I did it right or not. Just put it on. But once we sound it down and finish it, I guess we will see, we will know how this is gonna be. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna apply the bundle two time on the and then try to make it as smooth as possible. Whenever you guys start working on this thing, don't you forget your mask. Make sure you wear a mask whenever you're doing this. Alrighty. This is the first try. Like I say, I gotta go now. I couldn't do much, but at least I tried, and I think it came out really good. This is the first try, and then I'm pretty sure the next time I will do it, I will do a lot better. Right here, I don't think there's gonna be too much problem. The main problem will be right there. Look, all the mess that I made, all the mess that I did. But well, you gotta learn somehow. I did close that hole right there. And on this side, we need to clean a little bit more and sand it down. And I also closed the hole right there. It looks good, I guess. Alright guys, that's it for today. I guess see you in next video. Hopefully you guys like it. There is not too much to say in here. Hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys can see how this project is gonna end. Hopefully I get it done before this hopefully I get it done before 2020 is gone.